As you can see, they're here. I'm so happy. Like, my place is still a mess. I'm trying to make an Ita bag for Super Junior. It's kind of sort of going along, but is this? I got it 20 minutes before I was supposed to go to work, and I opened it. I didn't have time to look what's in it, and I had to be at work, and I just got home, so they're open. I just don't know what's in it. Anyone else who get this and feel really, really sad that you couldn't salvage the sticker, so it rips kind of sort of halfway? So you get this. I hear that you get your own clear file and you get a photo card with this one and a mini poster. So this. And I got Unyuki. This is pretty. Yeah. I'm not trading him. It's the album. No. Stop. And oh, that's my clear file. And I got Bonhei. Oh, I got Unhei. I don't ship Unhei, but I like their friendship. And I think this is the poster. Usually I always get like folded posters with Super Junior, but I don't have any wall space, so I opted out this time. I got Heechul! I got Heechul for the special edition replay. It's on my wall with Shiwan. I got Shiwan and Heechul. This is the and this is the regular one. One more time. That's French. Tuki. And Tuki. These are very nice photos. And Yuki, I got your photo card. More Anyuk. This is a very nice photo. I like that one. Sorry. Yes, honey. Yeah. So pretty. I'm so happy you're eating now. Don't diet. You don't need to diet. You're perfect. I mean, considering. What's that say? To baby. Oh. I'll never fake it, baby, if it's just a two upside down. Whoa, Shandong! Dongity dong dong. This is his era. Say what you want about, his vocals. They're amazing. And they're just so perfect and it fits. And his Spanish is wonderful. But I don't have an ear for Spanish. So I could just be bullshitting. My head is so far up Super Junior's ass, it's insane. What? I'm sorry. They're my favorite group of all time. Super Junior and Shandong. He looks handsome. Shiwan, why do you follow Mike Pence on Instagram? I just want to know. I just gotta know. My favorite song. Good song. Yeah. That's trippy. You look nice. Ah! It's hard. Handsome. Handsome. You're okay! Rob! I'm so glad you're back. Oh. Why? Why do you do this? I can't pronounce that. I lived in Texas and I speak German. Nice. I like that one. I might draw that. I have not drawn Ryuk before. Ooh. Magenta eyebrows and 2 shaved slits. Watch out now. We got ourselves a badass over here. Girl, hold up. Just wait a minute. That's Lo Siento lyrics. See, when you have your hair like that, it doesn't look like you're balding. That's handsome. I like this one. This is a very nice photo. And let me flatten it out so you can see it better. Handsome. Have a word in the small child. Teacher! I'm so happy that you at least were in the music video and you were trying to do photo shoots. I just hope you get better, okay? A healthy Heechul is a happy Heechul. This is a very good remix. Like, at least it's not, what, 180 BPM Nightcore nonsense? Okay, special edition. I'm so happy it comes with a pen, because it can go in my Ita bag, even though it's going to be a mess. The Super Junior is a mess. Like, they're my mess. Oh, wait, sorry. Oh. Look at my ugly cat. I'm going to Youmacon in 2 weeks, and hopefully I might sell some of this. I might get another one to get the other pen, if I get the one that I want. This is so glossy and fancy and sweet. Ooh, shiny. Oh, that is so shiny. I love it. Yes! This is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. Yay! It's going on the Ita bag. Where's my stuff? My bag still isn't here yet. It's still being shipped from China. Great thing about this is that you get 8 photo cards. They're official, right? I don't know. I'm not sure. I think they are. They have to be, which is very considerate of them. Get Dongye. Unya. Is he like the emojis? Is he Snapchat? Is he on Snapchat? That's depressing. Unyak. Hitor. Hitsuki. Ah. Isongi. Shindongi. He looks so pretty here. Just take it all in. He's so handsome. Ryoki. Is he wearing ears? Like the Mickey Mouse ears right here? It looks like it. You're so cute. I've missed you. And Shiwan. Why do you follow Benjamin Netanyahu on Instagram? You're all handsome. I don't know if there's another version of these. I haven't really checked. I just knew that we get 8 photo cards for the special edition, which makes me so happy. And if you are considering getting it, it's worth it. So, or maybe I might just buy just the pen on eBay. I don't know. I'm so happy I got the stuff that I wanted. Look at it. I'm gonna do a quick Where is it? There it is. This is so shiny. Look at it. I'm gonna quick scan through. Oh, these are different photos. Oh, fudge. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything else. These are really, really nice jackets. I want to actually make them. The ones I don't like, let's see if I can find it. Donghae's looks the best. Real looks best. Heat Shoals is, I like this one. It's sparkly. Heat Shoals is sparkly. I like it. But I'm very, very happy. I'm never really disappointed like with the photo cards. Usually I have a bias, but with Super Junior, I don't have a bias. I love them all. I'm very critical of them, but I still love them. And they're my favorite boys, and like they're like the brothers that I wish I had. Sorry if you saw my really ugly floor. But yes, there's that. Oh, it's the other one. Everything's a mess. I can't clean up. I'm not organized. Yeah. So I've got 2 Anukis. And this is very nice. It's just that this is very tiny. Like the clear files that I have, there's a slit right here. What do you do? Like that. It's interesting. But I don't know, I really love this packaging and this mini album. Their first mini album without Kyuhyun. It's great. I love it. And it's special. Like they are. To me. So this is amazing. This is honestly worth it. It came here pretty quick. So I pre-ordered it. Waited a week. And it got here in like 9.5 days. It was supposed to be here 5 days from now, but it just came in today. And I was like rushing through work so I can get home in time to go and unbox this. So, but I love it all. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling and I'm mumbling, but I'm really happy. I really love this, and I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna eat the bag as soon as the actual bag gets here, and hopefully I'll show you photos. And yeah, so peace.